Next, Mani Sadasya Harris Beeran. 3 minutes.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. Sir, this bill aims to amend 3 major laws: the Insurance Act, the LIC Act, and the IRDA Act. Sir, the government presents it as a modernization effect to achieve insurance for all by 2047 and ease business compliance. But in reality, sir, it acts as a threat to the state rights, social security, and judicial accountability. Sir, we all know the general policy of the government is either monopoly or duopoly to various sectors. I don't have to name the sectors, sir. For example, the aviation sector, or the telecom sector, or the petroleum sector, sir. Now, the aim over here is to have a cartelization of foreign insurance companies, so that insurance itself becomes a problematic effort for the normal human being over here. Now, sir, this particular bill is a threat to federalism. It redefines insurance cooperative societies. Now, this includes the societies registered under the state laws also. This actually contradicts various Supreme Court judgments. Cooperative societies are in list 2, so there cannot be any legislation as far as cooperative societies is concerned. Now, sir, there is a problem with 100% of FDI over here. It raises the limit for foreign investment, removing the need for Indian partnership. Sir, they say the CEO has to be an Indian, but even if a CEO is required to be an Indian, real control will shift to foreign parent companies. Now, the problem over here, sir, is that it actually eliminates affirmative action. Like public sector companies like the LIC, they are constitutionally required to reserve jobs for SCs, STs, and OBCs. Now, sir, private companies with 100% foreign ownership have no such obligation. As the market shifts towards these private players, sir, the availability of reserved jobs in the financial sector will shrink, and hiring practices may exclude marginalized candidates who lack specific soft skills. So this is a major concern. Now, there is another concern about judicial bar. Clause 14D3 of this bill forbids any court or authority from compelling an insurer or the regulator to produce or inspect specific statement and policy information. Now, sir, this removes the judicial review aspect, sir, meaning a policyholder cannot force an insurer to reveal the evidence used to reject their claim. Now, where will the insurance go, sir? So there is a complete bar over there. There is a complete lack of transparency over there, sir. Now, sir, as far as the issue about the mandatory surveillance is concerned, sir, the bill actually hides the insurer data from the courts. That is also a big cause of concern. There is a lack of transparency, sir. Now, Clause 14B also empowers the regulator to demand any data on policyholders from insurers, overriding banking secrecy and privacy laws. This creates a centralized database of citizen financial and health data without judicial oversight. Now, sir, I have 5 recommendations, sir. Just 5 recommendations, sir. One is exempt the state-registered cooperative societies from the definition of insurer to protect federalism. 2, I'm just concluding, sir. Introduce a golden share. Sir, just 30 seconds, sir. 30 seconds. Introduce a golden share of the government in 100% FDI norms to veto capital flight. Mandate affirmative action for reservation for foreign insurers. Insert a specific clause prohibiting algorithmic discrimination based on religion, caste, or location. Delete 14D3 to restore the power of courts to renew evidence.
Sir,
the progress